Alright guys, welcome back. It's crazy work we're doing, right? Today we'll be looking at the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. It's a very simple topic, don't make it complicated. Now, a 2 by 2 matrix is in the form A, B, C, D. So let us put that in perspective. Let us put some numbers, right? So let us say 5, 2, 1, 3. And you're asked to find the inverse of that 2 by 2 matrix. Now first, before we find the inverse, let us look at the parts that determine the inverse. Now the determinant, so we can use, say the word, is AD minus BC. So what we'll be doing is to multiply 5 times 2, because that is, so this is A, B, C, D. So we multiply 5 times 2 minus 1 times 3. So that is 5 times 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So we can say the determinant is equal to 7. Next, we need to find the adjoint. Now the adjoint, why I'm doing this, C-sec will separate them and ask us to find the adjoint, ask us to find the determinant. The adjoint, remember it's in this form, A, B, C, D. Now to get it to the adjoint, D comes up here, A goes there, we take the negative of whatever is here and the negative of whatever is there. So now let us put some numbers and put it in perspective. So 5 goes where 2 was, so, and 2 goes where 5 was, right? So it will be 2 and 5. And we take the negative of both these numbers, so it will be negative 1, negative 3. But together, this is just the adjoint, but together with 1 over the determinant and the adjoint, that gives us the inverse. So remember what we got here, 7 was the adjoint determinant, and we can do this now, negative 3, negative 5. And this is very important when you are solving the simultaneous equation. Look out for that video coming up shortly. So that is how you find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Let us look at another one. So keep a class them real. We're not edit now if I not nothing. Yeah. So we stay. So let us say A is equal to 6. And we are asked to find the inverse. So remember, the first thing we find the determinant. That will be 6 times 3 minus 2 times 5. 18 minus 10 is equal to 6. So we know that to be 1 over 6, and as we say, we swap position with A and D, so 3 goes there, 6 goes there, and this becomes negative 2 and negative 5, and we are finished. Alright, remember the explanation was done in the other previous video, so you guys can follow. Let us do one now where there's a negative. So B is equal to 5, 3, minus 1, 2. Let us see how we can find the inverse of that. So first we find the determinant, which is 5 times 3 minus 1 times 2. So 5 3 is 15, minus negative times that would be negative 2, so these become plus, right? So it will be 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So it's 1 over 17. The adjoint part now, A comes where D is, so it will be 3 up there, 5. This is negative 1, so it becomes positive 1. That's exactly what I wanted you guys to see. And this becomes negative 2. And that would be your answer. And guys, thanks for watching. I want you guys to try this one on your own. And the instruction is find the inverse. And let's just call this one C. So 8, 3, 2, 4. See you guys in the next video.